What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another one. We got a big turkey day hunt here this morning. Thanksgiving morning. What is it? The November 23rd, 24th. It's a Thursday morning here. It's about just shy of 6:30. We got the sun peeking up. Beautiful morning, cold, brisk, zero wind. Got Brandon here with me. He was here at the crack of dawn setting up the spread. I was a little late this morning, I'm not gonna lie, but check this out. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Good looking spread. What do we got? We got a dozen full bodies.
Dozen full body lessers, 4 or 5 dozen full body graders, tangle frees.
How many dozen we looking at?
5 dozen old silhouettes, 3 dozen new silhouettes, 2 dozen duck silhouettes.
Yeah.
I don't know, probably like 10
The
dozen.
mob is throwing. We're allowed one bird a person. We probably got somewhere around 8 to 10 people. And Chris actually just got the new Dive Bomb V2 fully flocked, the black ones. What's the actual terminology for those?
I think it's V2FF, maybe?
Yeah, I don't know, but they're all black and they're flocked.
Shout out to Dive Bomb. They are killer looking decoys.
They look pretty sharp, so I'm excited to see. Maybe with this bright sun too, it'll help us out, cast some more shadows around, and yeah, I don't know, pretty excited. Hopefully we'll get some wind to pick up, but shortly we're gonna be hopping in the blinds here. Just an awesome morning. Yeah. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Sayonara. First couple birds that came, probably about what time is it, Will?
7:30.
7:30. And a little unprepared, to say the least. We missed that flock, but that's all right. Should be a bunch more flying here shortly, so stick with us.
Go.
You had me beat. Oh man. I was.
Bring him here.
Here we go. Had 2 come in. They did it pretty nice. Yeah. Being the shadow that we've got on us right now, no wind, they floated right on down. What's going on, everybody? Sitting here at my desk trying to edit this video, and unfortunately there was an issue with dumping footage. I recorded 2 hunts on the GoPro, and what you guys are going to see right after this, I'm going to combine them now into one video. But I made a mistake, and I think I accidentally missed a couple clips, which was the ending of the goose hunt. We ended up shooting, I believe it was 7 or 8, I can't remember. We shot I think it was 8 when Will left. Yeah, so I think we had 8 guys and we killed 8 birds, because we had 9, I think was Will, but Will had to leave before we saw any geese. So the clip that I'm missing is by 8:30 birds were flying all over. We had them working like crazy, and we ended up killing the rest of our limit. So unfortunately, super annoyed and upset that I lost that footage. Really not happy about it, but I still wanted to share this hunt just because it was super memorable. So I'm going to go ahead and roll into this pheasant hunt, which took place right after this goose hunt. So this was a different group of guys, some of my really close friends, and we just had a blast doing a little pheasant / small game hunt. So check it out. This is a lot of fun too. Thanks, guys. All right, folks, that's a wrap. We ended up with 8 birds. We originally we could have killed 9, but Will had to leave to go to some turkey bowl thing. So Will, you killed us this morning. That extra bird would have been night and day. But anyways, I don't know. It was slow to start, but then things turned around. Birds started flying everywhere. No wind, sunny, bright sky. I don't know. They still did it pretty good though, I thought.
Yeah, scouting report yesterday. Probably about same time.
Yeah.
Watched these birds fly over at like 8 o'clock, 8:15 yesterday. I knew they were coming. You just sometimes got to be a little bit more patient, but yeah, I mean, while we're cleaning up, we just have 500 more flying around. So
hey, that's a nice freaking sweatshirt, dude.
Hey, like and subscribe.
Definitely. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello, boys.
One pellet hits it, one pellet's gonna kill it.
2 3/4.
From the 1924s.
High brass.
1924.
This is what I'm shooting today.
Shell on the mark.
All right, guys, welcome back. Thanksgiving morning. Just finished up a goose hunt, and now we are on a little pheasant hunt set up by our little buddy here. A lot of you may not know, Will raises pheasants.
Will slice my pheasants.
That's the company name. It's a plug right there, right?
That's it.
What's the quality of the pheasants around here?
Mediocre at best.
Oh, we got a squirrel. We're into the squirrel.
We're into it. Let's go, Clay. Get
right
him.
on Where is it?
Here we go. We're on a small game / pheasant hunt. So
With this gun, it's like the world's smallest youth model. So when you bring it up, you should
quick
be
shoulder.
Here. You gotta be here. You know, too tight.
Oh boy, here we go, everybody.
Check the trees, boys.
They love this spot here.
This is a squirrely area.
Clay, come on.
There's nobody paying attention. There's another one.
Clay, they're jumping all around you.
Yeah, 1 or 2 of us can. The rest of you might want to stay out here. There's lots of activity coming up. Hint, hint. Hint, hint.
Rich, you got this side here?
Yep.
Ow. Oh, geez. Everybody ready?
Yeah, faces towards me.
Is it gonna come towards me, you think?
It might. Just be ready. Just
Let me back up a little.
Clay!
Was that me or you, Clay?
Clay!
Woo! My ears are ringing from that. Wow, these pheasant loads back a punch, man.
Way to shoot it in the head. The whole thing exploded.
I don't know who was that. Clay who got it?
Not gonna lie, it was definitely me.
Why does everyone have to yell at you to shoot, Clay?
Oh, that thing flushed nice.
Yeah, it did. I think I hit it with the rock, though.
That's alright.
I couldn't see it. Of course, Will probably put out all hands.
No, usually he splurges and throws one cockbird out.
There's one out here. Man, those squirrels go quick, boy.
You saw one?
No, I'm just saying, like,
There's nothing.
they were all out of it before.
Because they know you have a gun now. That's a good looking tree right there. You got a bird?
On the loose, yep, he's walking.
Where? Hey, be ready, guys.
He's on the loose, Caleb. Running around.
Where is he, Willie?
Hold on. Caleb, you ready? On the left. Alright, hold on. That's hard to throw and get in there.
Was Willie even close to him?
Huh? Yeah, somebody can.
I need to stay float.
Where he went. He ran down there. Right in that thicket stand. Oh. Shit, he's right there. See him? Yeah.
Ah!
Wet bird.
I went for the head on that one, Will. Dang, that was loud. Oh yeah. Nice cockbird.
Nice and wet.
Here, hold this. Let me give him a shakeout.
Shake and bake.
Oh yeah, he's wet. I don't know where I hit him though.
Go pretty high when you shoot him right over the water.
I tried to give some distance in there. I didn't seem like he took a full load. He just...
I don't know where you hit him. Dumped him.
Yeah, but it didn't kill him. Not like Clay's.
Wow. There was 2 rounds in that one.
Wow.
Want him in the pouch? You ready yet?
Yeah.
On the loose again. Rich, you ready? You're not gonna see it.
Oh shit!
Rich!
Yeah! Nice one, buddy!
Dude, she flushed quick.
That was perfect! Nice!
That was quick.
Good shot, Rich. I got that one on film. It's alive! It's alive! It's running still!
Where?
It's running. It just ran up to the creek.
Oh. Wow, it ain't gonna fly away.
It might.
Old Rich with them 8 shots.
There she goes.
Where?
Right there in the creek.
Oh. That thing's got a broken wing already.
Well, let it cross the river and then shoot it.
Alright, we'll get that. Pay attention where it goes.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Before it disappears. Jeez, Rich, put a better shot on him next time.
Next time I'm making good shots.
Here, you want
Alright.
one of my pheasant loads?
No. Dump it now. Right?
There it is. Yeah, tough birds around here. Raise them strong.
Where are them squirrels? Good, thing's still kicking.
All right, Will's telling us there might be another bird in here. Rich is gonna flush them.
Come on, dog.
Right.
No, let me kill.
Hang on, Rich. I'm gonna try and get in here.
Don't shoot Tyler. Wait till he gets.
Don't shoot me.
I'm not. We put one in there.
There could be one anywhere in here, though. Yep, there he is.
Bird. Wait, run.
Rich, running. Let him go.
Come on, we'll get him to flush.
Let him go.
Let him get tucked in there. Alright, now we got him.
All right.
He'll get up there.
There he is. Oh man, I'm a good bird dog. I didn't get him to flush, but we didn't lose our 14 bucks.
Went down to the low side. You want to throw some rocks?
Yeah, here.
Throw a rock down into like the middle of the low side. That's a good shot. You guys can shoot it. Might have gone past it. I'm not picky.
All right, Caleb, go.
Rock going. Hold on. Everybody hold on. Where is it?
He's like 20 yards ahead of us.
It's running.
He's on the move. Caleb, get up another ahead of us.
There he goes, across the river.
He's flying?
He's gonna.
Keep getting up here, Will.
Hold on. I see him cutting in.
Hang on. Caleb. Yeah, we'll wait for you. Just wait, Will. He cut up.
Yeah.
You see
Where it gets thick.
that little dead maple thing right there? Right to the right, and that thick stuff. He came out and then he came back up.
I think there's more birds up here too.
Can't go another 20 yards, Clay. Oh, he's up higher now?
Right in front of me.
Caleb and Will.
He's running?
He's walking.
Keep your eye out for squirrels though, Will. Ow.
When you walk right past him.
I know, we're not paying attention right now. That's a nice tree right there. Nice hole.
Hi, how high up is he?
Alright guys, we just had one circle back. I was taking a leak.
I didn't hear him get past me.
Alright, stay there.
Sometimes you literally just gotta stop and stay in there.
Yeah, that's what makes him nervous.
Hold on, hold on.
Where is he?
He's right in front of us.
Is he?
Tuck down. Rich, wait, which way is he gonna fly? Straight up? Yeah, we're gonna find out. Alright.
Don't shoot me.
Ready? You stand there, aim that way, I'm aiming
Alright.
straight ahead. Don't hit me. I'm on.
Hey, be ready. One's gonna flush up. Rich is gonna hit him with a rock and kill him.
I went underneath him, that's a different bird.
Is it?
Yeah, that other one's way up there. He's not moving.
They're smart, man.
Hold on, let me get down to the side of it. Hold on. Alright, I'm gonna sharp with this. It's getting hot. You're alright, you'll get it. Alright.
You can come right here, Caleb, and shoot this one.
Did you kill
I think it's stoned.
No, he just moved. He's right there. He's still there. Ready to fly? He's ready. What is, how is he not moving?
He's dead.
No, he's still alive.
Just 2 broken wings. Alright, get him.
There it is.
Got him! Oh, baby! Oh, he's on the move though.
We'll get him. Wait. Someone know where he went down?
I got it marked.
That was a good shot, Tyler. Let's mark that. Who shot him?
I did. I think I did, unless it was you, Caleb.
I had no chance of hitting that thing.
I waited for everybody else to shoot, and I had one. I mean, that was like a 40-yard
That's
shot.
a perfect line, though.
Well, no, I was standing right here. I was standing right here.
It's flying straight away from you. That was.
I know, that's a hard shot.
I think that was a different one, Will.
You want to cross and get him, or get him on the way back?
Yeah, we'll get him later.
All right, remember that oak tree right there.
Well, last year we had him fly down off that embankment, so.
He came out of right over here somewhere. Sweet, that was awesome. So we're gonna get him when we circle back around. He's in a bush right over here. What do you got? Oh, sniper! Hello.
With no bead too. That gun got
No bead? Oh boy, that's a nice one.
Oh, that's my bird. Hold on. That's my bird.
That's a really nice one. Ridge, get up here in case he cuts over.
Hold on, Ty. I can't go rushing through this.
Hold on.
They're tucked into here too.
He's gonna come out.
Tyler, you might want to have heavies right through there.
That's what I'm saying.
All right, well he's in the bush right here. I still see him.
That other one ran in these ones here.
All right, he's pecking around. There's another one in here.
There's 2 up there, right?
Yeah.
There's one right here. That cockbird moved, didn't it?
He's in up there.
Unless that hen is somewhere tucked up in there somewhere.
We need a pheasant dog.
Oh, where's that other cockbird?
It was right in here.
Right there, I see a. What, you see him? Yep.
One nestled down right in there.
Yep. You guys ready? Where is he?
Don't hit me. I got this side covered.
You guys ready?
Caleb, you ready?
He's about to flush. Ready?
Yep. One coming up. that a rabbit right in between me and you, Caleb?
Oh yeah.
Oh, don't smoke. No, it's a hen bird.
Where?
Hen bird, right there. Hen bird.
Hold on, Caleb, back up.
Hey, Caleb, back up.
Oh.
Rich, stay there.
Wait, there's a hen bird right there in front of us.
There's a hen bird right there too.
All right, I'm gonna throw a rock at it. I'm gonna guard
Oh,
Wait, Will, don't go any further ahead of us.
You ready?
Oh, let's back up. Dude.
all right, back up a little bit.
All right, go ahead.
Here. Oh, it's a
wait,
cock. It's a cock.
There's a cock and a hen in there.
There's another hen in there, Clay?
Yeah, I still see the hen.
Oh yeah, I see it too.
Oh, back up, back up, back up. She's gonna run out this way.
Oh yeah, I see her. Oh, Rich, towards you.
Wait.
Oh, get him.
Rich, he didn't get shit.
Yeah. Rich, I don't think you hit that.
Rich got her. I got the last
She's on the run.
Another one.
Oh! Don't shoot it. Towards the house.
Hold on, it's going down. I got it. Ah, I was reloading. Shit. You got birds all around.
I know.
Guys,
Let's
get
bet.
this cockbird before he disappears. Which one? He's right in front of me.
All right. Well, let's not go any further. We got a bunch of birds back here. We got to circle back.
They all flock together.
I pulled the trigger 3 times, only 1 shell came out again.
All right, we're just.
Right where these purple leaves are.
I see him still.
All right, flush him out for me.
All right, wait, hold on, guys.
Where is he?
Hitting sticks.
You ready?
Get ready, Will. Clay, don't go ahead of us.
Hold on, I don't think my gun's loaded.
Oh my goodness.
Is this your first time?
Jeez.
I lied.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
I didn't move.
There's a couple birds right in front
There's
of us.
2 at least in there, right?
I think 2 or 3.
All right,
We might just, if we just walk up and then you just kind of kick through it.
Coming down.
hold on.
Let me get a better position to flush this guy.
Where is he?
He's right in there. You see him?
I know.
still?
No.
I could hit him with the rock
Hold on.
from here.
All right, hold on. Should we space out a little bit or? Oh, I see him now.
Why?
That's a 410 for you right there, baby.
I shot 2.
All right.
No, you
We
didn't.
want,
Yeah.
Did you actually?
we want to go back for that one,
Yeah.
or do we want to keep pushing this section right here? Oh, where's that hen?
Wait, Will, she's way up ahead of us.
There's like 3 birds right in here.
Let's get these. They're staying closer to the house before these ones get away.
All right, so let's get these right here.
Tyler.
There's a hen.
You may have hit it. I think we
I didn't
both
shoot.
hit it. Oh, you didn't shoot?
I didn't shoot. Will shot.
Will, you shot?
Yeah.
Do you think you hit it?
I think so.
All right, because I shot 2, and I'm not sure if I hit it.
I was waiting to shoot.
I'm pretty sure I did.
I thought Clay shot.
No, let the 410s handle it.
I didn't shoot. I was about to, and then it pulled.
That's a big bird.
Oh, look at his head. Got like the blonde on it. Oh,
Yeah, put them in the pouch.
I don't got a pouch.
In my pouch.
Oh,
yeah, jeez.
Throw them in there.
Come on, Clay.
I'll do it, Tyler. Don't worry.
I know you will.
All right, you're settled.
I hear something.
That's me. Don't shoot me.
Man, these pheasant loads are ringing me. Taking me for a ride.
Yep.
Hang on, Will. Don't go in.
I got a hen right here.
All right. Caleb, be ready.
Caleb, this is all you.
Caleb, your first shot.
Don't worry. Tyler will shoot it before you can.
It come up to you.
Well, no, it
first
flushed
shot.
and nobody shot.
Keep moving up with her. Keep moving up. I gotta find a rock here.
I'm looking for squirrels.
She's gonna flush. All right, you ready? Yeah. I'm gonna flush it out.
Oh, I see her.
Oh yeah, there she is.
Shit, where's she going?
She's like right here, gonna pop out.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm not even shooting. I'll shoot that way.
Yeah, I'm down.
There she
If she
goes.
comes
get ready,
out.
Get ready. She's gonna fly. Rich, one more.
Here
rock
she
and
comes. Here
she's
she
flying.
comes.
I'm trying to find her.
Oh, come on.
Hold on. I'll drive her back this way.
Hold on, we got another one up there.
There's
And
like 3 other birds tucked in here too.
there's a rooster right in here too.
Oh shit.
Yeah, back up.
Will, Rich's hen is somewhere on the other side of that little island right there.
Yeah. So now there's 2 hens there.
Yeah. It was somewhere right in here. Rich's hen went down somewhere right here, and then it ran.
She wasn't down.
Right here, Will.
Got one. Hold on, Caleb, get ready on
I got a hen right here too.
Alright, Will, between
Don't stop. The hen is right here under this bush.
Tyler, watch that one.
All right, just be careful. She's a little skittish.
This one's yours. Every time we say it, it's not going to work, but...
Clay, there's Rich's is right in here.
You see it?
Yeah, it's flopping around. Oh, this hen is sneaking out.
I'm going to just walk it out. Oh, grab it!
Wait.
Nope, it's gone. Oh, shit, what was that? Grab it. Oh, he's like an 80-yard shot? It was 30 yards at most. I know Tyler shot it when he was down at my house.
Did you shoot at it?
I didn't shoot.
Who shot?
Rich.
Wow. He had a perfect shot. He was right in the middle. Did you get it?
No, he didn't get it. I watched it run away.
All right, let's chase that thing out. Man it up.
No, he didn't get it.
Rich's pheasant's right here, and there's another hen right here.
All right, well, we got another hen right here.
We're switching sides.
Watch out.
All right, hang on.
Which way is he flying?
He's in this.
He's right in front of you. In between.
He's heading back out the other way now.
Which way, this way?
He's right in front of you, Will.
Ready?
Facing towards.
Coming out, coming out.
I see him.
Watch where you're shooting. Will, don't move.
Getting out of the way.
Nice, Clay.
Chase that one down.
That's a shot right there, boy.
Guys, Dale, this one again. This hand.
You get that one on film, Tyler?
Yeah. Here, Clay. Rich's is right here.
No, wait for Caleb.
That's behind. Come on, Rich.
Hold on.
Watch him.
You're supposed to aim at him.
One of us hit it.
You tickled it.
Cockbird and a henbird right up in here.
The cockbird went back. Nobody got it, right?
Oh, no, there's more than that.
No, but the one that flew back, right?
Yeah, and a hen that's back there.
Okay.
How many hens?
Well, let's keep pushing forward and get,
Well, Clay's cockbird is up here. And then
Oh, yeah.
Just a hen.
No, Clay's ran.
Yeah, but where?
Like 100 yards.
It did?
Yeah. Coming back.
I got a cockbird coming right to us.
Got him, guys. We got another bird facing towards the house right up here.
We'll stay on this side.
You want me to stay on this side? No, it's a cockbird. Yep. Caleb, get ready. Caleb!
Going out that
Nice! Yay! Nice shot. Good job, Clay. Did I get it? Oh yeah. Good shot. Yep. How high up? Got him. Will, there's another one behind you.
Get ready.
Will, there's another one behind you.
To your right, to your right.
Nice. Heads up, Will. Yeah, baby.
Everywhere. There's another one on that tree straight in front of you, too. Yeah,
There was 3?
that one.
That was on this one that I just shot. Jeez. There was one on here and there was one on here.
Yeah, to the right. To the right of Will.
Yeah,
That double one. Yeah. That's what I saw.
There was 2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just killed 2.
Good one.
Nice. Oop, oop.
Yeah, you're loading down.
You're loading me down?
Yeah.
Wipe the blood off him quick.
You're the one shooting and then going in yours.
I thought you shot.
No,
No, I got the first one.
You shot? Oh, give one to Rich.
My pocket's full.
I know.
If you feel squirming, don't worry about it. If you start clawing your back. That was good, dude.
Alright guys, we just got these pheasants cleaned up here and breasted out and different things like that. I want to say thanks to Wildman Willie and Rich. And we want to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit a thumbs up on this video. Thanks, we'll see you guys.